Hi, my name is Renee Iverson. I'm the second affirmative speaker. Before I begin in my refutation, I'd like to add a couple more points to what my partner had originally stated. Not only are we in favor of adult stem cell usage, there are other stem cells that are obtained from the umbilical cords when children are born, which is this normally would be considered medical waste, but upon further study, it's been discovered that stem cells that are just as undifferentiated as embryonic stem cells can be obtained from these cells that are considered medical waste and do not cost anybody's lives because they've already had their use. Okay, and into my refutation part. The other side stated that embryonic stem cells are more plentiful than adult stem cells. This is wrong, not only because stem cells from adults have been found to be obtainable from basically all sources of the body, including your bloodstream. The researchers in Germany, in particular, Dr. Wolfgang Lineage, has found that stem cells are able to be extracted from regular blood. And that they have actually more possibility because they're so plentiful that we all have them on a regular supply. The other thing is that adult stem cells have been found to be reprogrammable. These are formally known as they're called iPSCs because they're actually adult stem cells that they're made out of that they're just harvested like regular stem cells, but they're able to genetically alter them slightly that they can form any cell in the human body and can replicate to become what they need, to become where they're needed. Yeah, to become what organ or tissue is needed to replace. And then also, adult stem cells have been proven capable in osteolytic therapy, which is produced MCSs, men's stem cells, which have been capable of producing tissues such as bone, cartilage, fat, and muscle. And the use of adult stem cells, especially if extracted from one's own body, the ability to be rejected falls dramatically. And there's been a rising trend recently in the saving of embryonic stem cells, or not embryonic, I'm sorry, umbilical cord stem cells into a blood bank in, I forget what it is. But they're saving the umbilical cords of people, and then later in life they're able to use the cells that they saved from that person as treatment options for the person themselves, and the rate of rejection has fallen to basically nothing because it's their own body going back to repair itself. There's also a few dangers that they did not address about using stem cells, or embryonic stem cells. So far, there's been no conclusion on how to overcome the danger of tumors. Embryonic stem cells have been proven in 80% of mouse stem cell cases, like just tested on animals, and particularly mice, that only 80% have not developed tumors due to the stem cells being put into the animal's body. This is according to, yet again, Dr. Wolfram Lineage. Other thing is that stem cells received from embryos are genetically unstable because they haven't finished their full development yet. They haven't stabilized into their complete forms. And so there's like cloned animals, such as Dolly, we all remember the first sheep to be cloned. She had the outward appearance of a fully healthy animal, but the probability of having numerous genetic defects is higher, and she will probably be shown as she got older in life. And our speakers also talked about how the embryos are not wanted, and that's why it's okay that we get rid of them. I'm just wondering if any unwanted person then should be used for scientific research, since these people are being used for that purpose. And then I also have a example here of when adult stem cells being tested on live human beings have provided really good results. It's an injection of a patient's own adult stem cells into the heart has shown efficiency in assisting recovery after heart attacks in early human trials. This is according to Edward T.H. Medical doctor and professor of the M.D. Anderson Department of Categorically. And also, to reiterate yet again, stem cells are hoped at this point in time, the only still considered a hope that embryonic stem cells will be able to cure disease such as cancer, AIDS, Alzheimer's, multiple sclerosis, and so on. Yet, on closer inspection, however, it's more of a pipe dream. There's no actual data so far to prove that they will be able to do any of this. So far, it's in elementary testing, and I don't feel, a human should not lose their own life based on elementary testing. Thank you.